Those who want to look more youthful should live life with a young heart by Kim Sok-Chin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So this is the second part of drawing BTS Jin. I will provide the link of the reference in the below description. You can download from Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to talk about the detailed process of drawing the eyes, nose and lips so you can understand the process easily. I'm using outline pencils in this video. So we will start with the process. I'm using a charcoal pencil of Apsara. So I will fill the inner area with the circle inside the eye and leave a small spot inside the eye to give the sparkling look into the eye, and then blend the tones inside the eye with blending stump and the makeup brush. So I will smudge the edges of the eye with blending stump and will define the upper eye line and the lower line. Now we will start shading the area around the eye by using a HB grade pencil. So while drawing with the graphite, you should know that the area beneath the eyes should be drawn darker, means even though the face doesn't have any dark circles, we have to give an illusion of it so that we can make the eyes look realistic. So first we will form the base of shading by drawing a lighter shade using HB pencil. So this is the secret behind shading, that is, we will form the base. Always when we try to shade, we form the base by using an HB pencil. And now we will move towards the eyebrows. At first you have to use an HB pencil to form the base and then blend it. Then we will use a darker tone of pencil. I've used an 8B pencil here. We will move towards the second eye. The same process we will follow in this eye too. We will use a soft charcoal pencil and darken it. We will fill the areas which are not filled with the charcoal pencil and blend them with blending stump. In the edges of the eyes should be darkened by using a blending stump so that we can give the illusion of shadow. Same process we will follow to draw the eyebrows. We will form the base with HB first and then you blend it with the blending stump, and then we use a darker tone pencil. Around the eye we will form the base with HB pencil shading, and then we will use a 2B pencil at the areas where we feel ours should be darker, such as the area below the eyes. As I told that even though the reference doesn't have any dark circles, to give the realistic look to the eyes, while using charcoal or graphite pencils, we draw darker parts below the eyes. Now we will move towards the nose. At first we will form the base by using an HB pencil. That is, we will shade the entire nose with HB pencil first. To define certain areas where we feel that these are darker areas, that is the nose bridge or the side lines of the nose, we use a darker tone pencil, a little darker, that is the 2B pencil. So I'm using a 2B pencil on both sides of the nose to give the shadows effect. And you can also see that I have rubbed certain spots on the nose with the razor. I'm doing so that I can give a glossy look to the nose. So if your reference has sparkling or a glossy look, you have to just rub those parts with an eraser. So to make the nose realistic, we should shade the tip of the nose, that is the area around the nostrils. I used 2B pencil here. So the use of 2B pencil is the areas where we want to give the darker tones. So in this reference, we have to darken the both sides of nose. I used an 8B pencil to fill the nostril, and one side of the nose is clearly well defined, so I'm using a 2B pencil to define the side of the nose. Now we will move towards the lips. We will form the base with HB pencil and then define the separation of the lips, that is mouth, and then we will draw the lines flowing from upwards and towards downwards and shade it by using a 2B pencil. You can see that I have used a razor in certain parts of the lips. These are the areas where we want to give the lighting effect. So we are using a 2B pencil to shade the lips, and as lips are darker, we can also use a 3B or an 8B pencil. You can see that I formed the tones with 2B pencil twice or thrice. So you have to look into your reference and understand that how many tones you are needed. In this, I have formed the 3 shades by using a 2B pencil. Now the area below the lips, we will shade it by using an HB pencil, and certain space is left unshaded to give the lightning effect to the face. I'm using a makeup brush or a soft brush to blend it. You can also use a tissue paper. And that's it with the process. We will see you in the next part where I will talk about shading process. Thank you.